Did you know the typical SUV can cost close to $10,000 per year just to keep on the road? Sounds steep. But here's the thing. Not every SUV is a financial burden. Some models quietly rack up 400,000, even 500,000 miles on nothing but routine oil changes, filters, and basic upkeep. Today, we're breaking down 10 SUVs that are not only reliable, but score well on luxury quotient. What's more, repair bills are low, insurance rates are friendly, and depreciation isn't as fast. We'll also cut through the noise on extended warranties, when they're actually worth it, and when you're just handing money away. If you want to buy smart and drive for the long haul, let's get into it. Number 10. Volvo XC90. Derek Hollis, financial analyst from Charlotte, was shopping for a family SUV a few years ago. His co-worker kept raving about the XC90, but Derek brushed it off. "It's Swedish. Parts must be expensive," he told himself. He bought a German rival instead. 3 years later, he'd spent over $9,400 in unscheduled repairs and was on his second turbocharger. His co-worker's XC90, still running flawlessly at 87,000 miles with nothing but routine maintenance. Derek learned his lesson the hard way. The Volvo XC90 is a masterclass in understated Scandinavian engineering precision. Built around Volvo's SPA, scalable product architecture platform, it combines a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic with a refined turbocharged powertrain that holds up remarkably well over time. Its reliability scores from J.D. Power and Consumer Reports have been consistently strong, and its cabin, draped in genuine leather and open-pore wood, rivals vehicles costing far more. Number 9. Lincoln Aviator. Sandra Okafor, school principal from Columbus, needed a 3-row SUV and nearly chose the Aviator in 2021. But a friend talked her out of it, calling it an overpriced Ford. She went with a flashier European option instead. Within 18 months, she faced an $6,800 air suspension failure. Meanwhile, a colleague driving an Aviator had nothing but praise. 0 major issues, a dreamy interior, and a ride quality so smooth it felt like floating. Sandra still regrets listening to bad advice. The Lincoln Aviator is America's quiet giant of the luxury SUV segment. Built on a robust platform, shared with the Ford Explorer, but dressed in bespoke premium clothing, the Aviator delivers a genuinely opulent interior with 30-way adjustable seats, a rich sound system, and a cabin that competes directly with European flagships. The twin-turbocharged V6 is both powerful and durable, and Lincoln's reliability trajectory has dramatically improved. The Grand Touring plug-in hybrid variant adds efficiency without sacrificing dependability. If the SUVs we have discussed so far failed to grab your attention, the next 3 will definitely change it. Number 8. Buick Enclave. Tom, a restaurant owner from San Antonio, dismissed the Enclave as a grandma car. He wanted something prestigious and opted for a European crossover instead. That choice cost him, twice in the shop within the first year, over $5,100 gone. A neighbor who'd been driving an Enclave for 6 years? She'd paid nothing beyond oil changes and tires. Tom now admits he let badge snobbery cost him serious money. Don't let the Buick badge fool you. The Enclave is a deeply polished, highly reliable 3-row luxury crossover that punches well above its price point. Powered by a proven 3.6-liter V6 mated to a smooth 9-speed automatic, it offers whisper-quiet cabin isolation. Buick calls it quiet tuning, a beautifully designed interior with premium materials, and long-term dependability that's hard to argue with. Number 7. Audi Q7. Nicole, a marketing consultant with an IT firm, had the Q7 on her shortlist, but chose a flashier rival, reasoning that all German SUVs are the same. They're not. 4 years into ownership of her choice, she'd racked up over $11,000 in out-of-warranty repairs. A friend who'd bought an Audi Q7 the same year had experienced nothing of the sort, just one set of brake pads and consistent servicing. Nicole's now on her second Q7. She won't make that mistake again. The Audi Q7 is one of the most refined, well-rounded luxury SUVs Germany has ever produced, and it backs that up with genuine reliability. The 2.0T and 3.0T powertrains are well tested, and Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system is among the most trusted in the industry. Inside, the virtual cockpit, tri-zone climate control, and available Valcona leather make every journey feel like a first-class flight. Number 6. Cadillac Escalade. The story of Marcus Webb, real estate agent from Houston, is not very different. Marcus wanted an Escalade, but let his brother-in-law convince him it was too American for serious luxury. He bought a British rival instead. 18 months later, an electronic suspension failure wiped out $8,500. The client he admired most, a top-producing broker in his office, had been driving the same Escalade for 9 years with no catastrophic issues and a perfectly intact sense of prestige. Marcus finally made the switch. He wishes he'd done it sooner. The Cadillac Escalade is an American icon built for permanence. The 6.2-liter V8 engine, one of the most battle-hardened engines in the luxury segment, delivers effortless power and extraordinary longevity. The Escalade's body-on-frame construction, while traditional, is a reliability asset. It's simpler, easier to repair, and built to endure decades of use. Inside, the 38-inch curved OLED display is the most dramatic infotainment setup in any SUV, and AKG Studio Audio makes it a rolling concert hall. The next one on our list needs no introduction. Number 5. Toyota Land Cruiser. A civil engineer from Denver, Greg's company offered him a car allowance last year. A colleague recommended the Land Cruiser, but Greg thought it looked too boxy and chose a trendier luxury crossover instead. In only 13 months, he'd cycled through 2 vehicles and endured 3 major repairs totaling over $14,000. His colleague, still on the original Land Cruiser, now at 160,000 miles, flawlessly. Greg's now on a waiting list for the newest model. He calls it the biggest automotive mistake of my life. The Toyota Land Cruiser is not just reliable, it is the definition of vehicular immortality. With a heritage spanning over 7 decades and a reputation for running deep into 6-figure mileage without flinching, the Land Cruiser is in a class of its own. The twin-turbocharged V6 in the current generation is responsive and durable, while Toyota's legendary build quality ensures that every component is engineered for the long game. Luxurious without being fragile, capable without being crude. This is the gold standard of reliable luxury. Number 4. Porsche Cayenne. Angela from Boston almost leased a Cayenne in 2020, but was steered away by a dealership pushing a newer brand on her. She took the bait. Within 2 years, she'd dealt with a failed active suspension and a costly engine sensor issue. Over $9,700 in bills. A colleague at her hospital had driven a Cayenne for 7 years without a single unscheduled repair. Angela bought a Cayenne on her next purchase and hasn't looked back since. The Porsche Cayenne is proof that performance and reliability are not mutually exclusive. Porsche's engineering culture, obsessive, detail-oriented, and uncompromising, produces an SUV that drives like a sports car and endures like a tank. The V6 base engine is smooth and hardy. The turbocharged variants are breathtaking. Interior quality is exceptional, with materials and assembly precision that few can match. Reliability data consistently ranks the Cayenne among the best in the segment, and its residual values are among the highest of any luxury SUV on the market. The last three on our list make the noise, but quietly. Those who know would never go with anything else. Number 3. Acura MDX. Jerome had a budget of $55,000 and his mechanic, a 30-year veteran, told him flat out, "Buy the MDX, you'll never regret it." Jerome ignored him, drawn to a flashier badge. 3 years later, he'd spent over $7,200 in repairs on a vehicle with barely 45,000 miles. His mechanic shook his head and said nothing. Jerome traded it in, bought the MDX, and called it the most sensible decision I've made in years. His mechanic finally smiled. The Acura MDX is the quiet overachiever of the luxury SUV world. Built on Honda's ultra-reliable engineering foundation and elevated with premium finishes, the MDX delivers an interior that's genuinely luxurious. A super-handling all-wheel drive system that's both fun and dependable, and a naturally aspirated V6 that is virtually indestructible with proper maintenance. Number 2. Lexus GX. Christine's husband begged her to consider the Lexus GX when they were car shopping in 2018. She thought it looked dated and went with a European alternative that had better styling. 4 years and $12,500 in repairs later, including a catastrophic transfer case failure, she finally agreed to visit a Lexus dealership. They bought a GX. It now has 110,000 miles on it and has cost them nothing beyond scheduled maintenance. Christine calls it the car that ended our repair bill nightmare. The Lexus GX is a body-on-frame tank wrapped in a luxury interior, and that combination is almost unfairly reliable. Built on the same platform as the Toyota 4Runner and Land Cruiser Prado, the GX's 4.0-liter V6 is one of the most mechanically bulletproof powertrains in the automotive world. Inside, Lexus delivers the brand's signature attention to detail, impeccable fit and finish, whisper-quiet ride, and materials built to outlast the vehicle's mechanical lifespan. If you want a luxury SUV that will outlive your mortgage, the GX is your answer. And now, the number 1 spot. If you think it's a surprise inclusion, you would be forced to change your mind after listening to it. Number 1. Lexus LX. Let me share the story of Robert Adeyemi, investment banker from New York. Robert had a $100,000 budget for a new SUV in 2016. His financial advisor, who knew vehicles as well as portfolios, told him one thing: buy the Lexus LX and keep it for 15 years. It'll be cheaper than anything else you buy. Robert ignored him, bought a prestigious European luxury SUV instead, and over the following 6 years, spent over $23,000 in out-of-warranty repairs, 2 loaner vehicles, and 3 frustrating trips to specialist garages. He finally bought the LX in 2022. At 70,000 miles, he spent 0 on unscheduled repairs. His advisor reminded him, "I told you." The Lexus LX stands alone at the pinnacle of reliable luxury. Built on the legendary Land Cruiser platform, arguably the most proven truck architecture on planet Earth, the LX combines the near-indestructible durability of a Toyota with the obsessive refinement of a Lexus. The twin-turbocharged V6 in the current generation is a revelation, powerful, smooth, and engineered to endure. Inside, the LX is a rolling sanctuary, genuine wood, premium leather, a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, and second-row seats that recline like a business-class flight. There it is. The 10 most reliable luxury SUVs you can buy in America today, ranked from impressive to absolutely legendary. Whether you're in the market right now or just planning ahead, this list is your cheat sheet for buying smart, buying once, and driving with confidence for decades. If this video helped you cut through the noise, hit that like button. It takes 2 seconds and helps this channel reach more smart buyers like you.